On May 31st, the SAIC Volkswagen ID.3 GTX kit model was introduced at the 2025 Guangdong-Hong Kong-Macao Auto Show, and the official launch date was officially announced. The new car will be launched on June 14th. In terms of design language, the appearance of the ID.3 GTX kit model continues the style of the overseas version, equipped with honeycomb front and rear bumpers and high-gloss black decoration, and a new grey, white and red contrast limited vehicle cover with geometric patterns and the word GTX. The front face cancels the original smile design, making it sharper. The 20-inch 5-spoke wheels on the side and the GTX logo on the front door increase the sporty characteristics. The rear is equipped with a large-size roof spoiler and a rear diffuser decorative panel full of fighting spirit. However, some users think that its design is too radical and may not suit the public's aesthetics. In terms of interior, the all-black color scheme and red and black stitching create a sporty atmosphere, but the floating central control screen is small in size and the visual effect is average. In terms of power system, it is expected to be equipped with a single engine at the rear. In terms of intelligent configuration, it continues the design language of the Volkswagen ID family, equipped with a floating full LCD instrument panel and a 12.9-inch central control multimedia screen supporting a 3-spoke multifunction steering wheel and an integrated sport seat. However, the car is not equipped with advanced functions and only provides basic L2 level assisted driving. When the lane line disappears in the tunnel, manual takeover is required, and the ability to deal with complex scenes is poor. In addition, the car is not equipped with AR HUD, and the information display is connected to the central control screen, which may affect driving safety. In terms of space and comfort, it adopts a short front and rear overhang design, with plenty of headroom in the front row and significant legroom in the rear row. However, due to the hatchback shape, the normal luggage volume is only 385 liters, and it expands to 1267 liters after the rear seats are folded, but the space is cramped when fully loaded, which is not suitable for long-distance family travel. The seats are made of Alcantara and leather insert materials. The main driver supports 12-way electric adjustment and memory function, and the heating function is standard, but the rear seat backrest angle is flat, and the long-distance driving comfort is poor. In addition, there is no spare wheel in the car, only tire repair fluid and air pump are provided, and the ability to cope with complex road conditions is poor. In terms of market competition, it needs to face competitors such as MG4 EV and BYD Qin Plus EV. MG4 EV has outstanding rear-wheel drive road holding performance with a guide price range of 139,800 to 186,800 yuan. BYD Qin Plus EV has a clear 3-box home positioning with a price range of 109,800 to 179,800 yuan. In comparison, the ID.3 GTX kit model has the advantages of German quality approval and sporty design, but the battery life performance, vehicle stability and brand premium ability still need to be improved. Overall, it is a competitive model in terms of power performance and design language. The sporty kit and performance improvements meet the needs of young consumers. However, the battery life concerns, vehicle stability, field practicality and brand service network deficiencies may limit the long-term market performance.